definitely here. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, couldn't find scissors, but I found a knife. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this part out just so that I don't like, just me using the knife. I don't want to get this, like, yeah, I'm just gonna be right back. Okay, we're back. Let's go. Yes. Yes! Finally! You don't know how long I've been waiting for this. I just have one more Techno plush I'm waiting on, and it's the bag of potatoes. And then I've got one other YouTube merch that I'm waiting on. I'm so happy. This is the best thing you could have done, Techno. Just gonna let you know that now. You should definitely make more plushes next time. I can't let go.